In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with friends in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Naruto Ultimate Ninja Impact features co-op gameplay, so you will be able to play alongside a friend on any mission that you have already completed. So you will be able to do tag missions together. To access multiplayer and play with your friends, all that you have to do is go into the tag missions lobby. When you go over to tag missions, you will be able to set up your multiplayer username and then choose the option to team up with a friend. So as you can see, instead of going over to the first option, go over to team play with friend. When you go to team play with friend, you will be able to create a lobby. So one of you will have to create the lobby and another person will have to join. So one of you go ahead and create the lobby, and whoever is going to be joining you just has to wait until the lobby is up. They will be able to go over to join lobby and they should see the lobby with your username. Of course, if you are doing this using an emulator like PPSSPP, then you just have to set it up properly. And as long as both of you are in close proximity on the same network, you will be able to connect together into the same lobby. As soon as both of you connect to the same lobby, you will be able to browse through all of the missions. So select any of the missions available, change the difficulty, and start playing. Both of you will connect together, and each of you can select your own character. Like I said before, this is going to be cooperative gameplay, so to my knowledge, you will not be able to do 1v1, so just go into the tag missions and play together. You can do any of the missions available from the list, and you just need to make sure that your network is set up properly. You will be able to play together and go through all of these, and each of you can play as your own character. Just make sure that everything is set up accordingly on your emulator or console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play with friends in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Impact. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.